Abdullah here from the channel Chat's Encyclopedia. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to use the dynamic paint feature in Blender. It's a simulation thing. First we'll have to do the setup for the whole thing. This time no, I'm not going to be using the default cube. Oh, and actually first allow me to activate screencast keys so that if I forget to tell you guys about a key that I pressed, then it will be down here. The keys that I pressed will be down here. So X to delete and Shift A. Add a plane and let's scale this plane up like a lot. Don't scale it up too much because sometimes the laptop, the device that you're using will suffer if you make it too big. I have had that experience way too many times. Now go into the modeling tab and subdivide. This is the most important step. If you do not subdivide it, well, it's not going to act like the way you want it to. Today we'll be looking at the waves section of dynamic paint. Subdivide and okay, here. Okay, done. So we have selected this and subdivide again and again and again. No, you want these dots to be like really close together, okay? Still this is not enough. Subdivide it one last time. Yeah, this is enough probably. I don't want to subdivide it further because that will cause huge lag in my computer. Now go to the physics tab and click on dynamic paint. By the way, something to note, it's best to add a object. Wait a minute, what? No, it's supposed to be Shift A, not A. So yes, it's best if you add another object first in order to be the brush. So basically in dynamic paint there are two objects. One is a canvas and the other is the brush, which makes sense. So the brush affects the canvas and you can select whatever type of canvas you want. Today we are going to be looking at the waves type. So for the brush, it's nothing too fancy. I'll just be picking a cube, and also I'll teach you guys how to render the animation in another video. So let's pick the cube. Let's scale it down. We don't need it that big. No, not that small either. Yeah. And Z to take it up on the Z axis. Now I've selected this. Add canvas. Now you have to go down, and it's not paint, it's waves. Now we click on here and it's again dynamic paint, blah blah blah, but this time it will show you a canvas. You do not want to select canvas. Click on canvas, go to brush, add brush. That's how you want to do it. And now the process is done. Now let me show you how to do the thing. Firstly, press the G key. You might I'll teach you guys how to render this in another video. Today I'm just teaching you guys how to get the fun stuff going, like to preview the animation. So yeah, press that play button and press G and see, because waves, it's ripples. So if you are thinking of doing some huge water simulation for a project, that's obsolete. Just use dynamic paint. It's no one will know you use dynamic paint, and it's so much easier than just using simulations. Can get really hard, and if they're too big they will make your computer lag like crazy. So yeah, that's not the limit actually. You can still go on doing this. Also, if you have a much more capable computer than what I have, you can subdivide this even further to make it look even nicer. The only thing that I would suggest you do, no, not the cube, the plane. Shade smooth, and now those wavy things won't, the ripples won't be as rough. So G. See, it looks a little bit smoother. That's a trick that you can use. But if you look really closely or if you look from the wrong angle, you can see that it's still sharp on the edges, and the only way to solve that is by subdividing it, which like you can't do if you have a weak computer. Now let's let go of that. Okay guys, and that will be it for this video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to leave a comment and like the video if you liked it. Thanks.